Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download without Apple ID password on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your settings and tap your App Store. Now tap on and app, turn on. Tap on app updates, tap on automatic download, turn on, and after this go back. Tap on screen time, tap on content privacy and restriction, tap on iTunes App Store purchases, and tap on don't require. After this go back and check again. Tap on don't require, and after this go back. Now tap on your Apple ID, tap on media purchases, tap on password setting, and tap on require password turn off, and tap on done. After this go back, scroll it down, and tap on password, and touch your fingerprint and tap your autofill password, and autofill password turn off, and after this go back and check your issue and close all apps and check your problem. Now tap on get and tap on install and tap on done. Your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.